hire and a government vehicle. And the qualifications are the following: 18 years of age, valid non-pro, then examinations LTO, and then medical field. And these are the requirements: application form, non-pro, exam, team card, and the LTMS. And the only authorized to suspend the book license or instate is the LTO only. Kaya nga recommendation lang po yun sa ibang government agency. And the next driver's license is the conductor license. Conductor license is use of an individual to conduct fail, homicide, and to assist the driver and the passenger for safety and welfare. The qualifications for having a conductor license are the following: special plate. Yung mga special plate
Sa mga senator.
Senador. Okay, those are protocol. Special plate, yun yung mga binibili ng mga ordinary citizen. Halimbawa, bumili ako ng sasakyan. Gusto ko ang plate number ko, initial ko. Gusto ko triple. Gusto ko 4. Di ba? Gusto ko dalawang number katulad nito. Di ba? Pwede. Pero may bayad. Mura lang. Mamaya makita mo. Pero binibigyan lang po yung brand yung sasakyan. Ito ay para lamang sa mga regular plate din. Basta bumili ka ng brand yung sasakyan, pwede ka mag-request ng special plate, pero consider din sila as regular plate. Wala pong exemption yan. Maganda lang tingnan. No? Pero this is also considered as lifetime. Once you sell your vehicle, kasama plate number, di mo makukuha yun. And it is only applicable for cars, SUV, AUV, pickup van, imported vehicles, katulad ng mga luxury vehicle. Nakita niyo ba yung luxury vehicle na sports car ng mayor dito sa Tarlac? Na nandun na sa Bamban, nakapark na lang doon. Diba? Nakita niyo yung plate number niya, pangalan niya nilagay niya, di ba? So those are special plates. Ang tanong eh, magkano ba? Mura lang yun. Kaya magkano lang, mamaya makita. Okay. Excluded ang mga special plate sa mga pampublikong sasakyan, cargo, service vehicle vintage because they are their British plate number, government, red plate, diplomatic blue, and more than 4 wheels ay bawal. Magkano? Mura lang. Tignan nyo magkano? Pag ang re-request ka ng plate number, 3-letter combination, kahit anong gusto mo, triple number, wag lang 3 0, it is 15,000. Para naman sa 3-letter combination, on any 3 numbers, basta hindi pa na-issue ni LTO, 15,000. For those 2 digits, 25,000. Except 2 0, bawal. No? Para naman doon sa mga 3-letter combination and quadron number, wag lang 4 na 0. And 3-letter combination and 4-digit combination, basta hindi pa na-issue ni LTO, 35,000. Diba? Special line. hire and a government vehicle. And the qualifications are the following: 18 years of age, valid non-pro, then examination sa LTO, and then medical clear. And these are the requirements: application form, non-pro, exam, team card, and the LTMS form. And only authorized to suspend the book license or instate is the LTO only. Kaya nga recommendation lang po yun sa ibang government agency. And the next driver's license is the conductor license. Conductor license is use of an individual to conduct fail, homicide, and to assist the driver and the passenger for safety and welfare. The qualifications to have a conductor license are the following: the medical, team card, and the LTMS portal app. Ang trabaho naman po ng isang konduktor ay kailangan hindi siya magpasakay ng mas marami sa seating capacity o carrying capacity ng isang sasakyan. Lalong-lalo na bawal siya magpasakay sa cover or top of the vehicle. At bawal din magpasakay and to be able to have international license, you must have a Philippine license. And before you have to drive on the other country, you should know or ask first the country or jurisdiction if ina-allow or nare-recognize ang international license. Tandaan natin about sa ay meron yan, 4 hours. And on for demerit points, pre-orientation seminar plus a theoretical exam for 4 hours. Same violation is committed for at least 3 times. Seminar and 4 hours. Franchise-related violation, Driver's Academy with the FTFRB comes sa seminar.